Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my 5 ingredient super simple vegan tofu chocolate mousse recipe since my mom requested it. I love this recipe because it's a healthy treat that will satisfy my sweet tooth. It's one of my go-to desserts, grab and go breakfast, and favorite post-workout snacks. So I really like to top my chocolate mousse with some berries, flax seeds, almond butter, hazelnuts, and mangoes. Yep, so that's all you need to do. Isn't it super easy to make? I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!